What a cast.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's God tier.
I'm gonna go throw one into this blue water for shits and gigs. Look how blue this water is. You like that? Look at that. I just threw in my first cast just a second ago. Trying to dial her in. There's a fish right in there. Right in here, watch. We're gonna catch a fish right here, right off the bat. Right off the bat. Look, there he is, look. I can see him. There's a whole bunch of them down here. You see him? He took a bite. Ugh. I'm getting destroyed by bugs. See him jumping right there. We're literally right. Put it right on top of him. A little off to the right. Pull these freaking socks up. Ankle biters. Oh, I can't get over there with these branches. Oh. Seriously. Scott got one. Not my best cast. Oh, got a little guy. Oh, he fell off. You guys saw that, right? There's a lot of fish in this creek. I was just down that ways a little bit. A lot of fish, a lot of trout. I can't concentrate. Oh my God. These bugs are killing me. Got a hoodie on even though it's 80 degrees out because I need to invest in some bug spray. Like, dude, I look down, there's just literally 2 mosquitoes just sucking me off.
Like one shot and one Oh. Like what they make it with.
Bank shot.
Completely free and all. Like, no response on that?
Spring and shadow.
On Phil's kid, yeah.
Phil's probably a deadbeat dad.
He might be. Well,
That's a pretty fish. Going back through the jungle. A little rooster tail action. Let's see if we can't get something to bite. All right, boys. What do you say we go? I'm gonna go catch a fish today. Haven't had any luck last 2 times I've went. I don't know if I haven't said this yet. I'm still brand new to this fishing thing, so I'm gonna hike down to the stream. This stream is where I caught my first trout. Oh, already hooked myself. Here we are. Good little place to catch some trout. What do you say? Start out using this little rooster tail here. Didn't have any luck with it last time, but we were at a different spot. Try to get it into that little section over there. I feel like that's a good little hole. Right there. That's what we like to see. Bank shot. All right, I definitely didn't just snag that rooster tail in that tree up there. Definitely didn't do that. I definitely just decided to take it off. So instead we're gonna use this little golden beauty. Golden goose, I'll call her. The old golden goose. I'm gonna catch us a trout. Look at that beautiful first cast with her. You gotta be shitting me. Yeah, we got 10% battery to catch a fish. And literally as I was changing out the battery, I heard a fish jump right behind me. I'm gonna run out of battery, but man, they're jumping. Right in there, they're jumping. That's perfect. Oh, I had him. I had him. I must be snagging something right there because I feel like that's where I'm thinking I'm getting the bite. Thanks, shot. Oh, we got one. We got one. We finally got one. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. Come here, boy. Ooh, look at him. Oh no. Come on. No. Oh no. Literally slipped right through my hands. And that is why you need a net. Got him with the rooster tail. He was a good size too. Got another one. Wonder if it's the same one.